Hello, welcome to this 8-week painting course with me, Nicola Blakemore. Now, I don't know where you are in the world, but we're all struggling a little bit, aren't we? And here in the Northern Hemisphere, in France, where I am, we're going into what you could call the dark season. So we're going to need as much help as we can to get through it. So I have put together this 8-week program for you. Maybe you don't have an art class near you, or you don't have one that's operating, certainly, or you're not able to leave the home for current reasons. So anyway, join this because it's going to be a super event. I'm going to set various drawing and painting exercises. We'll meet once a week for 8 weeks, looking at what you've done, looking at what each other has done, and I'll be making suggestions, and you can ask questions as I go. So it'll be an interactive art class. So there's a lot to recommend it. So please do have a look at the details, and it kicks off on Tuesday, November the 3rd. So you've got time to organise yourself. It'll be operating through the Zoom platform, which I'm sure many of you are now familiar with. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, it could give you something to look forward to on these long, dark evenings. I know I need something. Anyway, I hope to see you in the first session, but whatever you're doing at the moment, keep safe and keep painting.